When the trailer has been first delivered to the spoke site with an intensifier, make sure the driver has set his landing gear and chalked his tires to keep the trailer in place. Walk to the passenger side. You're gonna find your white battery box and your cable management box on the gooseneck. Open up your cable management box. And at this site here, we're gonna be connecting the black cable to the Swift compressor ESD. Pull your cable out. If your box or if your trailer needs to be recharged, please plug in the drop cord to recharge your batteries in the box. Take the black cable over to the compressor electrical side, and there should be a Deutsch connector here using 4 pins that will mate up with our chassis harness as well. Install the Deutsch connector, quarter turn on the gray collar to lock it in place. And the black cable is connected to the ESD circuit now on the compressor. From here you can turn on the battery box. That will give power to your HMI screen. Hold your door in place. Everything should be red. As you see, sorry on the glare. Everything should be red, signaling that everything is closed. Check your air supply pressure. Make sure you're above 30 PSI so you can use it. Head onto the back of the trailer. You can open up your access panel door here. And this will give you access to the fill and defuel manifold. Make sure before you hook up any hoses that your vent valve is in the closed position, so that way you do not start venting when you're opening valves. For this site here with the intensifier, we will utilize the 1-inch Oasis fitting here with the 1-inch Oasis hose. You'll also want to make sure that you can ground the trailer. A ground will come out of the side of the door there. You might need to open up the larger door just to unreel the ground cable, and then you can close the large door again, so that way you only have the smaller door open for defueling and fueling. Once you've removed your ground cable, connect it to a ground. And from here, connect your 1-inch Oasis hose. When installing the 1-inch Oasis hose, the hydraulic quick connect has a turn collar. You need to put the pin in the notch in the right place to remove it back. Also, it will have whip socks to secure to the trailer. We have anchors to secure the whip sock to, built into the structure right there. If the whip sock does not fit, please use a chain or a strap to secure it. I'll show you an example here. You can see for this site here, the whip sock is too short, so we've added in a strap to secure it to the chassis itself to keep it secure and snug. Give it a pull, make sure it's engaged all the way. Also note, please ensure the ball valve on the inlet of the Swift compressor is turned off. Once your hose is connected and secure, you can walk to the HMI screen, and we can start opening valves and make them green. When this login screen pops up, just hit enter, and then it will allow you to start opening your valves. I open from top to bottom. Bottom to top does not hurt as well, but I open all these cylinders before I open the manifold. See, all my cylinders are green, but my bar down below is still red. That is the manifold. V1, V2, V3 is the manifold valves. We can start opening those. You'll hear it equalize out with each other. And there we go. Your entire screen is green, meaning everything is open. Your ESD circuit is connected to the Swift compressor. That way, if a Swift ESD is pressed, it will activate our ESD and shut everything down on the trailer. Your ground is connected. Your 1-inch Oasis hose is connected and secured with a whip sock. Now, slowly open the inlet ball valve. That way. The compressor's already been had gas flow into it for this time. When you're doing this for the first time, you will hear gas flow from trailer through the hose to the inlet. That is normal. From there, you're good to engage the trailer MRU in the control center here. In the control box of the Swift compressor, you can see here, compressor is powered on, and the MRU is green to enable. If it was disabled, it would not be active and would be not suck gas out of the trailer to the trucks. So make sure that says enabled and lighted green. Now the compressor or the intensifier will suck gas out of the trailer and fill trucks from the overhead truss.